Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80070424 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing your Microsoft Store error 0x80070424 or if you are facing any other error, then I will show you how to fix these error issues. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Scroll down a little bit, click on Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down, you can see a Windows Store app, just click on Run. It will find if there is any problem with your Windows Store app and it will be resolved automatically. After completion of this, again you just need to click on Settings, click on Apps, click on Apps and Feature or Install Apps. In this you need to find Microsoft Store. You can see here Microsoft Store. Just click on this three dots, click on Advanced option. First, you can see here under Reset there is a Repair option. First, just click on Repair. After repair, check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still it is giving the same problem, then you should try to reset it. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. After reading this carefully, just click on Reset. After completion of this, just close this window. Come to the third step. Just open your File Explorer. Open your C drive. Double click on Users. Select your user folder. In this, you can see your app data. If you are unable to see this folder, you should enable hidden folder settings. For that, you just need to click on the three dots, click on Option, click on View. You just need to select Show Hidden Files and Folders. You just need to select this option. After doing this, just click on OK. After enabling that, you will find this app data folder. Double click and open that one. So that you can see a local. Double click on that, or you just need to right click on that folder and click on Properties. Click on Security. Here you have to select the user and you have to allow all the permissions. After that, just you need to click on Edit, select the user and allow all the permissions, or else you can just click on Add, type here everyone, click on Check Name, then click OK and select and allow the full permissions. Click on Apply, then click OK. After doing this, close this window and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80070424 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11.